What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another Majority audio turntable, and this time it's their top of the line in the range, the Majority Stylo Premium Turntable. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In the box you will find an extra replaceable platter belt, the grounding wire for connecting to an external amp, the power cable, a 45 RPM adapter, a RCA cable and the instruction manual, as well as a QR code for a free 3-year warranty. To connect the platter, simply remove the provided felt mat with the Majority logo, align the platter to the brass motor pulley and use the ribbon to carefully pull the belt around it. Remove the ribbon and you're good to go. Then rotate the platter slowly 10 times in a clockwise direction to properly seat the belt and ensure it turns smoothly. Then replace the felt mat. On top of the stylo you will see the Majority logo on the left hand side, and situated on the other side you'll find the control knobs for pitch control and selecting between 45 and 33 RPMs or switching to off. Being their premium model, the stylo comes with a carbon fibre tone arm as well as an adjustable counterweight with anti-skating control. This helps with keeping the needle centered in the record grooves and helps to prevent distortion. Majority recommends setting the counterweight between 3 and 4 grams, then match the anti-skating control to the same number. At the end of the tone arm you get an AT3600L cartridge from Audio-Technica, and on the bottom are 4 feet with 2 larger ones at the front and 2 smaller ones at the back. And taking a look at the back, from left to right you'll come across the Phono/Line out switch, the power input, the RCA output, a ground connector, a LED indicator, plus the Bluetooth on and off button. Then the last thing to unwrap is the dust cover and place it onto the hinges. Now everything is prepared, it was time to replace the previous Majority turntable I was using, the Majority Moto. And with the new turntable in place, it was time to test this out with some music. After finally selecting a record to listen to, I decided to connect it to a pair of Bluetooth headphones and see how well it sounded. With the Bluetooth switched on, it connected in seconds with no issues at all. This option is always great for listening to your favourite tracks while getting stuff done around the house or simply just chilling in another room. After listening through headphones, it was time to hook these up to a pair of speakers. If you don't want to connect using Bluetooth, you can connect these speakers through Phono using a preamp, or simply use the line out mode to the audio in on your powered speaker system. I'm definitely a fan of the stylo's aesthetics. The all black minimalistic design gives it a nice sleek blend of retro mixed with a modern look. And to help with the retro modern look in my setup, me being me, I had to add some LED lights and some projectors to achieve different vibes and themes when listening to various artists. So when it comes to the actual sound, I wasn't disappointed at all. The audio was what I've come to expect from Majority. Records sounded clear and the playback was smooth, so I'm glad I've made the upgrade to my setup and would be happy to continue listening to the Stylo in years to come. The sound of records can depend on the vinyl itself, but having a great base to start from is always key. So if you want to get off to a good start in your vinyl collection journey and don't want to break the bank, the Majority Stylo Premium Turntable is a no-brainer. A nice looking record player with really good functionality and all for an affordable price. At the time of recording, you can pick the Stylo up for amazingly under £200. All links will be in the description. Don't forget to check out my reviews of the Majority's other turntables in their range, including the Majority Moto Bluetooth turntable with built-in speakers and the Majority Moto Plus that comes with 2 provided external 60-watt bookshelf speakers. Plus keep an eye out for a future turntable review, the Majority Folio. So overall, this is definitely worth checking out and a very welcome piece of equipment for my audio listening setup. A huge shout out to Majority for sending this out for review, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.